Hi loves, it's Sam. So today I'm going to be partnering up with FABFITFUN once again for the fall FABFITFUN 2021 box. Can you believe that we're almost to fall? It's crazy. Lily's going to be 9 in September, which is really weird to think that that's literally in like basically a month and a half. She'll be 9, which I can't even believe. But today I'm going to be sharing the fall box with you guys. You guys know I've done tons of FABFITFUN unboxings. They've got some really fun ones in there. I've been testing out a few of the products already. I'm going to link FABFITFUN in the description box below. I have a coupon code that's going to save you guys $10 off your box, which will bring the box down to $39.95 for the season. It is a seasonal box, so you're going to get it spring, summer, fall, winter. So this box is obviously the fall box, and I just love it because they have so many great things. The value is way more than what you're paying, and you get to try out products that you don't even like know about or you haven't heard about, and it just kind of introduces you to things that maybe you would never even try if you didn't have the box. But what I like is that it's more of a lifestyle. So you have like beauty, you have fashion, you have like home stuff, and you can customize stuff nowadays. So it's really fun for me specifically because I can pick more home stuff. But if you prefer more beauty stuff, you can pick more beauty. They have skincare. So it's kind of nice that you can customize it so that it's like definitely feels like your box. So I'm just going to be showing you guys what came in my FABFITFUN Fall 2021 box. The very first thing I've actually been playing with, it's this little, let me just grab the box so I can tell you exactly who it's by. This is the FABFITFUN box, and they are all more eco-friendly now. So you'll notice that they kind of have more of this like craft paper color, like that brown, like a brown bag. So it's got some leaves on it, and then when you open it up, everything comes in. Come along. Can you open? And I love keeping these boxes because they're really great for storage. I just stack them up on the top of my closet. You can keep your purses, your scarves, whatever it is in there. This one is called the TwoBandits.com, and it's basically this cute little like tray. And what I've done is I've put it on the top of my desk, and then that way I can keep all of my favorite and like most used lipsticks in it. And so it's nice because it just literally sits here on my desk. That little like bamboo colored lid matches my bamboo, or not lid, whatever this would be called, matches the bamboo top to my desk. And then it's just like a nice plain white. And then it does have like this, do you see this little gray, let me just focus it here. It's like a little gray felt to kind of keep it protected, but you can remove that if you want to. So I'll just go ahead and show you guys what's my favorite. These are my go-tos, my go-to lip colors. So I have the Laneige, what is it called? Lip Treatment Balm. This one is great because it comes out with a little applicator, which is really very handy, and like you don't have to stick your finger in. And then I have a Laneige lip sleeping mask. I also have a Tatcha, the Kiss You lip mask. I like that one as well. And then I have the Refi Rose Cream Blush. This is a total dupe for MAC Plain Coy because that's like my favorite lipstick of all time. Looks like that. So I keep that so that I can just put that on as a lipstick. And then the second little shelf right here, I've got MAC, what is this one called? So I have MAC Reverence right there. Then I have MAC Honey Love. I just recently got this one. It's really pretty. So that is Honey Love. Then I've got MAC, the Pink Print. I think this was a Nicki Minaj collection. Then I've got She Betta Werrrkk. This is from the Patrick Starr collaboration that they did. So that one's got like a little bit more of a pinky tone to it. And then I also have Laissez Faire. I actually found this one at TJ Maxx. A little bit more mauve. Okay, then on the very bottom section of this, I have MAC Creme de Nude. That one is a really beautiful nude color, a lot lighter. Then I have Lipstick Queen in the color Naked Truth. This one's really beautiful. It has like a really nice peachy tone to it. I have the Sephora lipstick in the color L24. These ones are really beautiful. They're super affordable, really glossy. I love that one. Then I also have Plain Coy, my favorite. Oh, look how sad that is. It's almost gone. Sad little friend. And then I've got Cream Cup. So basically they're all MAC lipsticks. I just absolutely love MAC lipsticks. They are probably my favorite. So that's the first thing that I got and I absolutely love it. It's great because then I can just, they're on my desk. I don't have to reach in or like fiddle through. I know exactly the colors that are there and I can just grab them and it just saves me a lot of time. Okay, the next thing I got was this cute little hat. I think this is so fall appropriate. So it's kind of just like a really nice, oh my God, this matches my flannel. It's like a really nice gray and cream little ball cap. Let me just part my hair so I'm not looking completely ridiculous. Why is this wanting to focus up there? You need to get a live camera. You are silly. Oh my God, how cute is that for fall with like some cute little leggings and some white sneakers and then a little gray top or like a little cream sweatshirt or something. That is such a cute little ball cap. I love ball caps. They're like my favorite thing. So absolutely love that. Okay, next I got this gorgeous chopping board. This is so pretty, such nice quality. This is from Uncommon James Home Goods and it's an acacia wood cheese board. So I feel like if you were to buy this, this would be alone more than what you're gonna pay for your box. So right now you've bought a cheese board and you've paid for your whole entire box and then you get all this other stuff for free. So it's so beautiful. I love the grain. I mean, I love acacia wood. I think it's so pretty. It just says Uncommon James. So that's beautiful. Then there's this, what is this? This is like a little lunch pack. Pack rolls down and closes neatly, ideal for taking meals on the go, storing food, filling bulk grains and coffee or handfuls of snacks. So it's just this like cute little baggie. Let me just see how you open it here. Oh yeah, so you can just fill it up, put your little baggie in there, and then you don't, it's like reusable, so you're like being more eco-friendly. Okay, next, I am obsessed with this, you guys. I've been using it ever since I got the box. I've almost used all of it up. I love it. It's so good. This is the Islands of Italy bath gel in the scent is Capri. It's a peach champagne fragrance. It smells incredible. It lathers so well. It does not dry your skin out. It's just such a nice body wash. I absolutely love it. So this is what it looks like. I would highly recommend you guys get this when you customize your box because it seriously makes, it's just like so amazing. Oh my gosh, I just absolutely love it. I've never even heard of this brand before and that's exactly what I'm talking about. Like I would have never known about this if it wasn't in my FabFitFun box. And now I'm like, oh my gosh, I need more of these. They're so good. It smells so good. Oh my gosh, it smells like one of those peach, the peach rings, you know, the little gummies that you can chew. It smells so delicious. And then I also got the Pure Lease, and you guys know I love Pure Lease. I think it's a great brand. This is the Pumpkin and Ginger Detoxifying Charcoal Mask. This is supposed to gently detoxify pores, clarify and brighten, exfoliates and purifies, and it's for oily, combination, normal, or even sensitive skin. It's got white clay, ginger, and pumpkin, and you just put it on your skin for 10 to 15 minutes. I'll show you what it looks like. It's got like little, it's kind of gritty, so it's like a mask, but it's also like an exfoliating mask. So you put it on. Smells incredible. It smells like a pumpkin fall candle. Like it's very pumpkin-y and spicy. It just smells like fall. It's delicious. So you basically just put it all over. It's white, and then when you remove it, you do have that like kind of scrubby feel. So it's kind of like exfoliating your skin really well. But the smell, if you like that kind of pumpkin spice scent, you will love this mask. So it's definitely something that you want to grab if you are into that scent because it smells so good. And Pure Lease has great products. They're very, very good. I absolutely love their BB cream. They've got some really great products, so I highly recommend you guys try and get the mask. I just want to go and get candles that are like pumpkin spice now. It smells so yummy, and then you can see it's already kind of like giving me a glow just from me wiping it off. It's like super soft. Oh, I've got scrub on me still. But it just makes your skin super soft, exfoliates really, really well. It's absolutely delightful. So love that. So that's everything that came in my box this season. I hope you guys enjoy and find it helpful. So again, my coupon code is SAM10. That's gonna save you guys $10 off your box. I mean, this right here, let me just look up what this retails for. Oh, you can't even buy this, you guys. You cannot buy this on Pure Lease's website. There you go. You need to get FabFitFun just so you can get this. But their other masks retail for $35. So with that coupon code that you're using for getting this box, you've almost paid for just this alone is gonna pay for the whole box. So that's the price of that one. So I'm excited to see like how much everything is worth. So that's $35. Oh my gosh. This cheese board, if you buy it on Uncommon James, is $60 just for this cheese board. Right there, you have paid for your entire box, plus some. You can actually get like almost 2 boxes for just the price of this. So that's insane. So right now we're at $95 if we were to buy these things separately. Okay, so this hat, $38. So what are we at? 95. I gotta get my calculator out because 8 and 5 is hard to add. 35, or I'm sorry, 95 plus 38. We're at 133 at the moment. Let's keep on going. What is this little baby retail for? This is the hip lunch pack. $16.95. So let's add that. $149.95. Then we gotta look up this beaut. They have this in a candle. Oh my gosh. Okay, so this is 22, so let's add 22 plus 22. $171.95. And then we also had this little tray. So let's find out what that box was. $30 for this little doodad right here. $201.95 is how much it would cost me if I was gonna buy all of this stuff separately. It would cost me $201.95. But instead, it's $39.95 if you use my coupon code SAM10. Amazing. So there you guys go. That's what I got in my fall FabFitFun 2021 box. I would say my favorites are definitely the body wash. This is amazing. If you can customize this and get it in your box, do it. Same with this mask. Smells incredible if you guys like pumpkin spice. If you don't like pumpkin spice, you're not gonna like the scent of this because obviously, you know, you don't like it. But amazing smell. And basically anything that I've ever gotten from Pure Lease is lovely. This cheese board, so gorgeous. I mean, it's such a beautiful little cheese board. This hat also, I mean, honestly, I'm like very happy with everything. I would say the only thing that I'm kind of like meh about would be the lunchbox, just because it's a lunchbox. It's not like the most exciting thing, but you know, whatever. Everything else I'm like super duper excited about. So there you guys go, a perfect box for fall. I hope you guys enjoyed and found this helpful. Don't forget, the link will be down below. Take advantage of that coupon code because it's gonna save you guys $10 off. This is a seasonal box, so you're gonna get it. If you get the fall box, then obviously you will get it for fall, and then the next box would be winter, and then spring, and then summer. And they're always geared towards that season. So obviously for this, very fall appropriate. Very fall appropriate because of the smell. The cheese board, you know, you've got like your friends coming over, you're starting to host events for, what is it called? Thanksgiving and all that kind of stuff. So, you know, it's very appropriate. You can also store jewelry in this. Like this would be great for rings and bracelets and things, but for me it's awesome for my lipsticks because then I can just grab them very easily. So, you know, it's a useful little thing for different sorts of bits and bobs. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and found it helpful. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next one.